I'm about ready to get shot with a Glock 40 caliber rubber round. All right.
How far back do you want me? Where do you want me to stand?
About 30 feet.
All right.
Well, I wanted you to get comfortable enough to where you can hit me.
Probably about 30 feet?
Yeah. Make sure the camera just goes. There you go.
All right. We're hot.
Okay. Not bad at all.
Yeah, I was gonna say I didn't even feel it. It's definitely just primer. Because I didn't even feel the damn thing. I wasn't even 100% sure it shot.
I'd say
Seriously, I wasn't 100% sure the damn thing shot except for a little bit.